Terrifying, you'll be shocked to learn that Firefly, despite its small size, is an incredibly durable beast. Watch as the Caterpillar D11 crushes a junk car during the recycling process, facing a real challenge from Firefly. With its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, this specialized truck can carry the largest oversized loads in the world. Built for the job, the truck is capable of transporting materials weighing thousands of tons, ensuring steady performance on all types of terrain. It's impossible not to be impressed by the power of the LRPR-1G. Equipped with a high-capacity engine and impressive horsepower, this machine can effectively break through tough materials like rock. With its robust design and advanced technology, the LRPR-1G is the perfect choice for construction and mining projects. It's impossible not to be impressed by the power of the AMREP HX450 ASL automatic garbage truck. Equipped with a high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, it operates autonomously to collect and transport waste. With its sturdy design and advanced technology, the AMREP HX450 ASL ensures efficiency, safety, and speed under all conditions, making it an exceptional choice for waste management. Next, this bulldozer not only crushes cars but can also easily handle tough materials like rock and rubble. With its powerful engine and continuous operation capabilities, the bulldozer delivers optimal efficiency in grading, demolition, and large-scale projects. Equipped with advanced technology, the bulldozer helps save time and labor while ensuring tasks are completed quickly and accurately. Now, check out Baumag's largest trash compactor. With its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, it completely destroys two cars in the blink of an eye. The machine's immense power allows it to effortlessly crush and break down vehicles, showcasing its superior ability to handle large, tough materials. With its sturdy design and advanced technology, the compactor optimizes work performance, delivering fast and impressive results. What on earth is this? A gigantic excavator tearing apart a building with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, easily breaking through concrete and steel structures. Each strike of the machine causes the building to shake, showcasing the sheer power of this beast. Two Caterpillar D11s, with powerful engines and superior horsepower, work side by side to blast away rock. Their power helps break up layers of hard rock, exposing a coal seam underneath. Thanks to their sturdy design and stable operation, the duo completes the task quickly and efficiently, making them an essential force in mineral mining projects. The Drog Max Euro 375 snowplow operates powerfully in the Euro region. Equipped with a high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, it's built to handle heavy snow and harsh conditions. The machine clears roads quickly and efficiently, and its sturdy design, along with outstanding features, ensures safety and stability even in the thick, snow-covered environment of the Urals. A heavy-duty excavator is truly a powerful and dangerous machine. Just look at that. With its high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, it can destroy an Audi in the blink of an eye. The immense power of the excavator allows it to break through any obstacle, from concrete to vehicles, making it a crucial tool in demolition and excavation projects. How to unload a dozer without a ram. The Cat D8K dozer, even if the operator forgets to lower the blade at the last minute, still gets the job done thanks to its powerful engine and impressive horsepower. With its sturdy design, the machine can handle heavy earth-moving and material-moving jobs efficiently, making it a reliable workhorse in any situation. The Lear R930 excavator, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, effortlessly moves onto the bed of the truck. Thanks to its special design and flexible operating capabilities, the machine can easily load itself onto the truck without any assistance. Equipped with advanced technology, the Lear R930 ensures stable performance and safety throughout the transportation process, making it a reliable and efficient piece of equipment. Have you ever imagined what a powerful machine like the Fiat Alice 14B can do? With its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, this machine effortlessly pushes a dead tree. Its sturdy design allows the Fiat Alice 14B to handle heavy tasks, from moving trees to large materials, even on challenging terrain. It's truly powerful. Just look at how it handles the movement of the TU-154M. Equipped with a high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, the machine can easily move heavy aircraft, even on difficult terrain. Its special design and stable performance ensure that it executes tasks efficiently and precisely, even with extremely heavy loads. Under harsh freezing conditions, the T170 KTP 6.3 tractor starts up easily, thanks to its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower. With its special design, the machine operates stably even in cold weather. The power of the T170 KTP 6.3 ensures that heavy tasks are completed quickly and efficiently, making it a reliable workhorse in tough conditions. Wow, the Tesme 140T trenching machine, combined with the Gold Hover THPSL trailer and MAN TGX 680 WSK tractor, forms a powerful duo. With its high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, the machine effortlessly transports and handles heavy materials. Its special design and advanced technology ensure that construction and mining tasks are completed quickly and efficiently, making this setup a true powerhouse. You'll certainly be impressed by the power of the Lear R966, combined with the 70 Malawian Quachas Trebi Beni bucket. Equipped with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, the machine easily handles tough exploration jobs, such as cutting and moving hard concrete blocks. With its optimized design and flexible operation, the Lear R966 completes tasks quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for large-scale projects.